okay, okay. Yeah.
Welcome back to my channel. Another day of cooking with Jazzilulu, and I have these here: wild caught, bourbon marinated, wild salmon, marinated in rich garlic spices, and wood aged bourbon. Here you go. And I took out these two and I put them in the fridge. The sauce looks so yummy. I like this baking dish with a little bit of olive oil, and I have some water for my rice. All right, so I cut them both open, and that's how it looks. The juice is in the baking dish, and this seasoning looks so good. So I preheat the oven to 350. The water is almost done boiling, and I'm gonna pop these in the oven. So let's do that. It says I have to put these in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, but 30. Ooh, this oven is hot, girl. All right, now I'm gonna put these in the oven. Boom. And I'm gonna clean this up, and I'm gonna get my broccoli going and add my rice. All right, so my Thai jasmine rice is in the pot, and I got pepper, garlic, Himalayan sea salt, adobo, and I have some basil. And here goes my broccoli. Aren't these so cute, these storage dishes? I made a whole video how I organized my refrigerator with these, and I prepped all my vegetables, and then guess what, girl? It got deleted. But anyway, we're gonna move forward. So here's my broccoli that I got, organic broccoli, and I literally had to cut it all down, then cut it all up, and I'm about to put it in there. So just put in some broccoli in the water. So I'm just gonna that seemed about enough, and I'm gonna kind of put the stems down. So boom, there go the broccoli, right? And that's what I do. Just get some basil, and I just like, basil tastes good. Basil is an herb that brings out the flavor of a lot of things. Next, we got this adobo. I put some adobo, but I don't get a little bit carried away, because you know, some people put adobo on everything. I'm not that person, but it does taste good on broccoli. Then right here, I got some garlic powder. Garlic tastes good on everything, like everything. Don't worry, it's gonna get steamed all up. To grind some pepper, and I have to grind some pink Himalayan sea salt. So I'm gonna grind it, and I'll be right back. All right. So this is how my broccoli is looking. The rice is almost ready for me to turn down the heat, and my oven has 17 minutes. Let's look through the peephole. Look how good it looks. Look how good it looks. You don't have to wait, but through the glass, it looks so good, and it smells so good. My house smells so savory right now. But anyway, I'm gonna come back when it is termino. All right, so I'm back, and look how good this bourbon salmon look, girl. You see why I put the olive oil at the bottom of the pan? Look at that. Then this is a broccoli, little cute broccoli florets, and I got my autos here. Looking good. Look at the steam rolling off of it. So I'm gonna plate this up, and I'll be back. And girl, look how this looks. I got my bourbon garlic herb salmon on a bed of rice and my steamed broccoli. And you know, of course I had to do my San Pellegrino peach Clementine. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna eat. Thank you for watching.